I'm hungry. You're hungry. Welcome to the channel. Today we're making some stuffed pepper, y'all. There's a video for y'all open. Yeah, and it's not no regular stuffed pepper. It is stuffed with mashed potatoes. If y'all want to know how I came up with this idea, I really have no ideas. We're making this some honey glazed lamb chops. Not any ordinary lamb chops, but honey glazed. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna put the honey on top. Like just put the honey on top, the seasoning right on top. I didn't do the little seasonings on the side, like all mixed together like I had taught y'all before. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, that means you haven't been watching enough of my videos. So make sure you like the channel. So like the channel, subscribe to his subscribe to his video. Like this video, comment down below for more recipes, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on another video. You throw everything on top. The same thing you do to the front, you're gonna do to the back. You want to press it down a little bit just so it can actually stay. The honey is like kind of a replacement for the oil at this moment, and there's different steps to this. Everything is you gotta do. Like, it's not gonna taste the same if you do not follow my steps. Not all of y'all are in Buffalo, and even so, I don't be cooking this for my customers, so y'all gotta make it at home. You know, I can't cook for y'all all the time. Okay, so you're gonna throw in the oven for 15 minutes. You don't want it fully cooked. Like, we're not trying to get fully cooked lamb chop right now, because later on you're gonna see how we throw in the pan for all them freaking flavors. So what I did do here, I did put the potato in the oven. It was already on like 400. I left it there for an hour while I was doing everything else. I didn't record that. I should. I'm gonna have it down below for y'all. Raw, unedited. You know, I do one little voice order and I post a video because you gotta be honest with your audience. Oh, let's talk about rhyming. You want to scoop everything out. This was for me. This is why I don't have gloves. Some moments you might see me with gloves, other moments you don't, because I just be lazy. I'm not gonna lie. Especially when I'm cooking for myself, you're gonna want to take as much potatoes as you can, and you're gonna put on a separate plate, and you're gonna start making your mashed potatoes. Yo, I can't freaking talk. You'll make sure you put some cream cheese, some butter, and some more ingredients. Make sure y'all check down below, because down below is gonna have all the recipes for y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Germ Eats. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Germ Eats. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Germ Eats. And if you haven't already, have you been following my TikTok? Because I think you have it. And guess the name for it. It's Germ Eats. Same name all across. Some might have more S's than other. Don't matter. You're gonna find me regardless. You're gonna make sure you're mixing that around. So in some moments I did use the like smasher thing, but in other moments I didn't, because at first it was like this would be more useful, and then I was like nah, maybe mixing would be more useful, because I didn't want to like kind of like, you know, not necessarily watery, but y'all know the texture you smash it to. And yeah, I didn't want that. This is, y'all don't expect me to use like crazy cooking terms. Everything I learned it by myself, and inspiration online. So I don't really know cooking terms. Would I learn them in the future? Maybe, maybe not. Cooking is fun. I cook for y'all. I cook for the ones who don't know how to cook. And this is what I'm talking about. I always get off topic. Like, I do this every single video. Like, I start telling y'all the recipe, and then I just start talking about nonsense. But it doesn't matter. It's okay, because the recipe is down below anyways. Y'all gonna know it regardless. And sometimes I just be me personally, when I'm watching videos, I be wanting the person to talk to me. It makes me feel at home. But back to the recipe real quick. So for the spinach, I'm not gonna lie, I messed up, and you should cook the spinach before you put it in here. Like, just put it like boil in water, leave it there for a couple of minutes, and it's gonna become like really like skinny-ish. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you haven't cooked it, you're gonna know once you put spinach in boil. You're gonna know it's ready when it looks like cooked shrimp. The reason why I say this is because I feel like when I just put the spinach like that, it kind of like, it didn't give the spinach taste I was looking for. You know, like, I wanted more spinach. I like me some spinach. So that's that. Make sure y'all do that. But I'm going to have it once again. I'm going to have everything down below, so no worries. Y'all don't have to be replaying this video like 20 times. What did you say? Y'all do have to replay it if y'all want to know if y'all doing it already. So boom, after you cut your pepper, You're gonna make sure everything is really stuffed. If y'all want to know where I got this utensils from, honestly, it came with my rice cooker. So I don't know the name of it. Honestly, when I don't know something, I just search up how it looks like. If I find it, I will have it down below. I'm lying. I won't have it down below, but when I do buy one, I will post it. So I got y'all. You put some mozzarella. So you're gonna put it in the oven for 8 minutes. So this part is really important. You see when it looks like this? Yeah, I'm hitting out with the image. You're gonna put on high broil for 5 minutes, and it's gonna like high broil is basically the fire that's on top. For an electric thing, I don't know how it works honestly, but for a fire oven it's gonna be like fire on top, and you want to leave it there for 5 minutes because now you're just trying to get like the torch look kind of. Honestly, no, everybody don't got a torch, and I'm telling yeah, we struggling right now, real thing. I'm not trying to curse, but we struggling right now. We gotta work through it, and I'll put y'all on to my little tricks. Cause we gotta. Sometimes you just want to chef it up at home and make your food look pretty. So after the butter is melted or whatever, you're gonna put some honey. So right now we're just kind of making the base of the main sauce. So like the seasoning itself does have a honey taste, but I like me. I was really aiming for a sweet taste. Something I say, I do wish I added some brown sugar. I feel like brown sugar would have helped me with the flavors. I mean, it still gave what it's supposed to give. But I feel like brown sugar was like what I was missing, so make sure y'all add brown sugar because I didn't. And let me know how it tastes if y'all add brown sugar. If y'all don't, this recipe still works. You want to make the sauce. You don't want to put too much sauce because it's become too thick. And the main part of this recipe is really the honey. Like the honey is what you need. Without honey, this recipe don't work. You want to mix it thoroughly. You don't want to mix it completely. So after you mix it a little bit, you're gonna put some light seasoning. Repeat the seasoning you had before, but the red seasonings. And if you want to make it spicy, you can add some hot sauce right into this, and you're gonna be good. And why is it? I'm like, what is taking me so long? Am I gonna cut that out? No, because it's already closing my thing. But anyways, you're gonna put the meat right on top. You're gonna put everything. I try having like the meat itself like more like in the middle if I can. I didn't want the meats touching each other, which is why you were seeing some parts like the I don't know what to call it. The little bone is not the same direction as the meat. Like I tried giving it some space. You're gonna flip it over. I kind of like this angle better. I'm not gonna lie. This angle is nice. It's really giving Food Network. That's what it's giving. Germ Eats the Food Network. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow, subscribe, like this video, comment down below recipes. Y'all know I will never do y'all dirty. And I'm gonna let y'all know how I played it. I ain't a master plating or whatever, but you know the pictures be coming out real nice or whatever. I'm mad funny like. Okay, so I'm such a liar. I am a liar. Oh my god, I am a liar. I didn't even show y'all. Because I was struggling. Oh my god, I'm a liar. Yeah, I just put it across each other and I put it like that. After I did that, it was really struggling. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna have them cross a certain way. I'm such a liar, y'all. That's so sad. You're gonna put the sauce right on top because you want to have it. I also did have a sauce that was left over on the side, and of course I had to put some parsley on top. Is there Germ Eats Me without parsley? So I wanted to do like the cutting cam for y'all can see the inside. As y'all can see, like the top is like perfectly like fire. You know you gotta hold it. Cause the pepper is like I'm not eating the pepper, I'm not gonna lie. But the pepper is like half fully cooked because it was in the oven. Then I realized that the angle wasn't fine. So thanks for coming back to another video. I'm gonna be uploading more. Bye!